everyone, I'm Denise Love, and today I want to do a little bit different kind of art haul with you. I had a Sketchbox email come up saying that they had some grab bags that they were doing, and they were $70 worth of things in the grab bag for $20. And so I thought, oh, I need them all. And one of them is a marker one, and you know I'm not a marker girl, and I thought I need that one too. So thought I would show you what's in a grab bag when you get it from one of these places like the Sketchbox, and is it worth it? And let's just see what fun stuff came today. I was really interested to see if getting some of these grab bags from some of these art subscription boxes are worth it. So this is Sketchbox, and last week they put up on Friday night, really late on Friday night actually, I happened to see the post on Facebook actually. Grab bags, we only got a limited number. Come grab them now before they're all sold out. They sell quickly. So apparently, Sketchbox does these periodically, and I'm assuming that they're just clearing out excess inventory and overstock stuff, which is fine for us. And this time they had 4 different bags, and each bag was a different theme, and I can't remember what each theme was. I know there was a marker bag, and even though I'm not a marker girl, I was kind of hoping in my mind maybe there was some Posca pens or something fun that I needed, and for 20 bucks I could still give them to my marker girl neighbor if I needed to, because she's a school teacher. So we'll see. So I've got all 4 of the bags. I just want to give you a peek, and if you see these and you're like, holy cow, totally worth it, get on their email list and watch their Facebook pages to see what new grab bags are coming. And they just came in the mail. I had to run to the mailbox and be like, oh, let's film a video because I want to open these right now. I can't wait. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the purple bag I'm thinking was the marker bag. Ooh, let's see what we got in here. Holy moly moly. Ooh, got a little palette. Can't have too many of those. Ooh, got a fun mixed media pad. Okay, I like getting their little pads of paper because then I can test them out. This is Paint On Multi Mixed Media 250 GSM, so a little bit lighter weight than the watercolor paper that I usually use. So, okay, super fun. Oh, you know what? This is not the marker one, I lied. This is the gouache one. So one was a gouache, and it guaranteed you'd love the gouache. Sweet. So I've got the white, and I've got the Myosis Blue. I said that wrong, I'm sure. These are both whole bean gouaches. And then there is a Savoir-Faire Blue Gouache. Opaque watercolor gouache. These are watercolor gouaches. Oh, got the Peony gouache. I think I actually got that box, and so but I did not get this box with these Savoir-Faire colors. And you got sienna, blue, and black. And so the blue and black, the sienna and black, oh, super love those. This blue looks very similar to that one, so super fun. There's also, this looks like half a watercolor brush. So I don't know where the other half is. And with it being a grab bag, I'm not sure it matters. I probably have the other half of that somewhere. So that's really strange. Do not carry around filled with water. Here is a watercolor brush. So I'm assuming this would be like the back half of one of these maybe, or just extra water. Or wait a minute, now that I'm looking at it. It's inside. It's like a little travel watercolor brush. Oh, super fun. Okay, I like that much better now that I see that. See, these don't come with a card telling you what they are like the monthly boxes do. So we got 2 water brushes. We also have a Sketchbox Tri-Wedge number 8. Nice. I like getting the brushes because you can never have enough brushes. And the wedge brush is pretty cool because you could do fun things with that. I like that it comes to a tip. So that's rather nice. Okay, good one. Good one. Ooh, look, we missed the ochre. Oh, see now sienna, ochre, black. I'm loving all of those colors. Okay, so, and I like gouache. I've got some new gouache from Whole Bean that I really like also. So that's going to fit right in with my gouache stuff. This is a Foodie Biori pigment. Water-based pigment by Kuretake. What do you think this is? Like a white pen? Let's take a look. Let's cut this open. Is this a white pen? I'm hoping it's a white pen. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, white pen with a brush tip. Okay, loving that. All right. It says keep horizontal, so I guess you keep it this way. But it feels very light. Whatever's in there is a very lightweight material. And then we also have a mono drawing pen, Tombow, in. That looks black to me, so always use a black pen. Okay, so the gouache grab bag. This was $20 for all of these, and I'd say that was a pretty darn good deal. So we'll say yay for that one. And we got a little sticker. Oh, super fun. I don't actually have that sticker. Fun. Okay, so I would say the gouache, that's a winner. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Teal bag. And then you'll know too later if you need some of these. Okay, so the teal was the marker bag. You'll know if you need some of these. Okay, so we got a pad. We got a marker pad. Oop, got a sticker. All right, so that must be like the grab bag sticker because it was the same. All right, and then we've got some Copic liner number 1. Let me get that piece of paper back out. Where did I just put that? So that we can draw and see what this color. Ooh, that's a nice fat black. Ooh, I like that. So the Copic multi-liner black. And then let's put this over here. And then we also got a Tombow Fudnosuke brush pen. Okay. Oh, in a yummy purple. Okay, that's nice. And then we also got a brush sign pen. Pintail sign pen. Okay, oh, look at that. Look at that yummy tip on that. All right, it's black. All right. Doesn't mark as well on watercolor paper, so that might not be my favorite. I've got another one of these Tombow pens. I got the purple. This is like a gray. Let's see what this one is. This is a Edding 1340 brush pen. Ooh, okay, yummy. In like a sepia color. Nice. I think I've got one of these Caron calligraphy pens, Brush Marker Pro. Look how big that pen is. Whoa! Okay, same, it's a sepia color, but nice big mark maker there. And then, oh, what is this? Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen in gold. All right, now that one is a winner. This one is the 1.5 tip, but gold, that's a winner. All right, what do we got here? Oh, I've got the set of this. This is it's a fine tip pen, and it's a really pretty, like gray color. Okay, then we've got Spectra marker in walnut. Ooh, big marking side, small marking side. Now some of these don't have their wrappers on it, so I'm guessing these have been floating around for a while, but as long as they mark, I don't guess I care. This is a Sketchbox brush marker pen in orange. Is that orange? It's tangerine, fern, and praline. So those are two-sided pens. That's a lot of markers in here. And then we also got the Sanguine Conte à Paris. Big fat. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. It's like an orange charcoal to me. And then we've got the white Koh-i-Nori Hardmouth Polycolor 3800. So this is just a white pen, a white pencil to draw on things. I never use white pencils, but you never know. I might need it for something. All right, so marker box. So that is a lot of markers that we got for $20. So I don't know, what do you think? Was that worth it? All right, let's see what else we got. So we got markers, we got gouache. Here's the black one. And if you tried to get these, now you know what was in them. And they did say they would be refilling their grab bags, because somebody asked when they were like, I missed them, are you going to get more? And they said, oh, we'll definitely have more grab bags. So it seems like that's like just a thing that they keep doing. So let's see what this one is. Oh, watercolor one. Oh, look how full this bag is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh totally, big bag. Okay, so the black feels like a watercolor bag. Yep, Cotman watercolor. Well, I like the Cotman. Cotman is kind of like a like a student grade. Oh, look at this. We got some Hunt-em-all watercolor paper in just some single sheets. Totally, I wish they sent me like 100 packs of that. You know how I need paper. I mean, if you saw my studio tour and you saw my paper stash, that was a little tongue-in-cheek that I don't need paper, but I want all the paper. All right, so we got Cotton Yellow. I mean, this one might be my favorite already. We got the Cotton Yellow. This one is, ooh, Daniel Smith Burnt Umber. Perfect color. So glad to get that. Ooh, I do have some of these. This is Aqua Ink, and it's a watercolor ink, and that's a bright yellow. I don't know that bright yellow is my favorite, but we'll take it. And we got a Daniel Smith in Cascade Green. And we got a Van Gogh. Ooh, nice. Van Gogh in Azo Yellow Deep. Okay, this must just be get rid of all the yellow. Oop, got another sticker. Okay, and we got Daniel Smith in the Hansa Yellow Deep. And look, another pad of paper. This is the watercolor travel pad, 140 press, pound cold press, 12 sheets. Ah, nice. And it's got like a little tear pad here, and I love this elongated shape. It's really my favorite shape to paint some of my atmospheric landscapes with. So, that is an A+ there too. Send me all the paper. Okay, another Cotman Color Intense Blue. Okay, cool. What do we got here? This is Faber-Castell's 2H, just a pencil. Okay. You know, I like graphite, and I usually like the B graphites, but this is nice for a very nice thin line. All right, and then we got, ooh, look at this ink brush with the Sennelier number 807. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have pulled. I'm not sure what I did there. Oh, you know what? Take that off. Screw it back on. That's going to let the ink actually get to the brush, and it's a brush. So this is like a dark green. Okay, pretty cool. I've never tried Sennelier ink brush, so that's going to be an interesting experiment. And then, oh, looky here, black lines. This is the, just like a line, Black Curse by Pacific Art, just a set of line pens. So, oh yeah, these are like the Pigma pens I like so much. So that's the whole set in 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Those are always handy. This bag is fantastic. Then we got Daniel Smith in Natural Sienna. Monte Amiata Natural Sienna. I like that color. Okay, man, we got so much stuff in this one. They had watercolor stuff. Okay, Japanese Natural Colors. This looks like a red and a yummy pink. I like pink and red together. I feel like I can use that. And I feel like because this is the watercolor bundle, I bet we could draw on the paper and add water to that to make it more watercolory. Okay, Aqua Pen Graphics. We've got a yellow, and these have two-sided brush tip and regular tip. So we've got yellow and purple. Fun. And a brush. Princeton Select Flat Shader number 8. Oh, that's nice. This was a fantastic bag. Okay, I need you to vote when we're done what your favorite bag is. Man. Okay, pink bag. Okay, I feel like the pink bag. What was the pink bag? I don't remember. But I got a pencil sharpener. Ooh, I feel like the pink bag might be like graphite. And you know, graphite. I'm a graphite girl. Oh my gosh. Graphite girl. Okay, so I actually love the pencil sharpener. I actually did get this Sketchbox that had the sharpener in it, and mine is right here. So, you know, I keep it like handy, like within arm's reach. Can never have enough pencil sharpeners. Oh my goodness, let's just pull it out. Oh, look here. Oh yeah, sweet. Sweet, look at these. Okay, these are nice. These are the Contour Tint Spectrum Dior. We've got, so what are these? don't think I have any of these. Ooh, just colored pencils. Okay, I feel it. Oh, look at these colors. These are good colors. All right, I'm loving that one. That one was really pretty. Rockwell blue. Okay, loving that. We've got a luminance pen in color 580. I can't read what that color actually says it is. Oh, yeah, I like that. That's nice. Okay, we got a Spectrum Noir. Ooh, another pencil sharpener. Oh, A+ on this bag. All right. And then we've got another sticker. We've got a Bristol Smooth Surface pad of paper. I love that they always send the pad of paper. I love that. We love the paper. Okay, what do we got here? We also got Permanent Color Pablo Carandash Charcoal Gray. Ooh, I do like charcoal gray. Oh yeah, good mark making pencil there. And Ochre Light in this Create a Color Mega Color. Look at that. Okay, well, that's not quite the color I thought would come out of that green tip. But still pretty cool. We also got Derwent Kneadable Eraser. Okay, so I love these. I keep these right here on my desk because they're amazing for all kinds of stuff. So we'll keep that one new for a little while. We also got a Rembrandt Toned Blue Drawing Pastel Acrylic Gouache Ink and Charcoal 120 pound 20 sheets. Ooh, 15% cotton. That's cool. Artist quality. I like that. Sketchbox exclusive by Rembrandt. So we'll take that. Good one. A+ for that. Okay, ooh, what else do we have here? We have another color I missed in blue. Let's see what this color is. Oh, I like that. And then we got another luminance number 6901. Oh yeah, and a pretty peach. And check this out, we also got 4 pencil set Koh-i-Noor Progressive Graphite. Woodless graphite. So that whole thing is graphite. Isn't that super cool? Okay, I do think I have this set and I thought it was super duper cool, so I'm actually glad to get that. And this is 2B, 4B, 6B. Oh yeah, these are all B's. Love it. Okay, so that's the graphite box. So here we go. We got a marker box, we got a watercolor box, we had a graphite-ish kind of box with sharpeners, and a gouache box. What do you think? I would definitely hit their social media pages on the different art boxes. These are all Sketchbox, and see, because $70 worth of stuff for $20 was totally worth it. I got this whole bag of 4 grab bags for $80, and that's a lot of yummy stuff. I would say there's just a few things in here that I might not like personally. Even out of the marker box though, like all these pens and little pencils and things, I'm totally gonna love those. Those are definitely, and the gold, definitely gonna get some use in my art practice. So now it's just like, okay, which one was your favorite? My favorite might have been the watercolor one because of the big Hanamall sheets, or it might have been the graphite one because we got the paper and the sharpeners, but I don't know. Tell me what your favorite was, and if you thought that was totally worth $20 per bag. And if you're wanting those the next time, definitely get in their email list or on their social media pages. And I liked this. I mean, go figure. Travel watercolor brush. And definitely, and then you can see when those pop up again, they sell fast because obviously tons of value. All right, hit that subscribe button on my channel, and I'll see you with the next art haul that I get.